Hello, hello. This is Whitney Emmanuel with Whitney Wealth Group here to start our series on life insurance. We're going to talk about the different types of life insurance as this is a complicated world and can be. We want to unpack it and just stick to the facts. What is life insurance? How does it work? And then hopefully this can help you make informed decisions. Of course, we recommend that you meet with someone on it and to customize it for your needs. We would love to be able to help you with that, but this should just be a good starting point for you to get you thinking about what makes the most sense for you and your family. And so we're starting with term life insurance. This video will unpack that. So let's dive in. Term insurance is a type of life insurance that provides coverage for a specified period or a term. Unlike other types of life insurance, such as whole life or universal life, term life provides coverage for a specific period. It offers a death benefit to the policyholder's beneficiaries if the primary insured, meaning the person who's insured on that policy, passes away during the term. So let's look at the features, the key features of term life. One, of course, a death benefit. That's why you get any life insurance is for the death benefit. Term life provides an income tax-free lump sum payment known as the death benefit to the beneficiaries named in the policy upon the insured's death if they die within that specified term. The length, you can choose the term length based on your needs. Common options include 10, 20, or 30 years. There's also an annually renewable term. It's essential to consider factors such as outstanding debts, your financial obligations, income replacement to determine the appropriate term length. The shorter the term, the more affordable the premium. Premiums. Term life typically offers lower premiums compared to permanent life insurance policies because it's only insured for a period of time versus your whole life. And so they're generally level during that term and can be paid monthly, quarterly, or annually. Lastly, we've got convertibility. Many term life insurance policies have a conversion privilege, which allows you to convert the policy into a permanent policy without undergoing additional underwriting. This can be beneficial if your needs change or if you want to extend coverage beyond the original term. Underwriting is almost all life insurance policies outside of policies that are through your work require underwriting. Every company is different with what they require, but generally speaking, you have to provide your health history and then usually do a medical process as well. So blood and urine sample and height and weight and measurements. So those are the minimum when it comes to underwriting requirements. Sometimes there's expedited underwriting. If you are in great health, you can bypass some of those physical in-person requirements. But again, completely dependent upon your health history, and then the carrier. Now let's explore some of the key benefits of term life. Affordability. This is why you do term. It's more affordable than permanent life insurance, making it an excellent choice if you're on a budget or if you have specific financial goals, such as covering for a mortgage or providing for your children when they're young. The con, of course, is that you don't have anything to show for your premiums at the end of the term. A payout only happens when the insured dies within the term. That's why term life insurance is cheap. Chances are you will not die within the term. Number two, it's flexible. It provides flexibility in adjusting coverage as your needs change. You can increase or decrease coverage amounts. You can extend the term through conversion, or you choose not to renew the term after it's no longer necessary. So you control the policy. Of course, if you want to increase coverage, you have to go through underwriting again, but you can decrease. You can change how you pay the premium, and it's nice to have that. Lastly, it's immediate and income tax-free legacy that you build with this. No other vehicle does this. And keep in mind that this death benefit amount does count towards your estate for estate tax purposes. So you want to make sure to remember that's a part of your post-mortem net worth. And in Minnesota, the limit is not very high. So your life insurance death benefit in Minnesota, at least, could put you above the estate tax limit. So be mindful of that. Term life provides affordable coverage for a specified period. It offers you peace of mind, financial protection for your loved ones, your spouse, your children. You just have to consider a few things, of course, when you apply and choose a term life policy. To customize a policy for you or your family, we're happy to discuss this with you in the context of your holistic financial plan.